Hi, I'm James. I make the Roost Laptop Stand. I first designed the Roost to prevent a serious problem I had where I was hunching over at my laptop. I looked around for solutions and there was nothing that really was portable and also got your screen up off the desk. The first Roost was very successful, 2,500 backers on Kickstarter, and now 10,000 Roosts to date have been shipped. It was a great product, people love it, use it every day, and countless necks and backs have been saved. Roost 1.0 was awesome, but it was a fixed height, and also the laptop could not be closed while it was on the stand. Roost 2.0 makes use of injection molding, which allows us to add more functionality in a smaller package. So now Roost 2.0 is height adjustable with 3 different settings from 6 inches to 11 inches off the deck. Roost 2.0 fits all makes and models of laptops. It's no longer restricted to clamshell hinge. Roost 2.0 allows you to close your laptop while the laptop is on the stand. It is also more compact, and best of all, it's more lightweight. Roost 2.0 is even more stable than the original Roost. Using the pivot grips, which clamp onto the front of the laptop, now your laptop is very stable. You can tip the Roost with your laptop in it, it won't fall out. In that end, we are using materials that you don't see in consumer products. Glass-filled nylons, Delrin, which is a industrial engineering plastic. So the Roost comes with the nylon carrying sleeve that protects the Roost and also allows you to slip it in and out of your bag real easy. We also have the Roost Plus keyboard carrying case, which allows you to carry your keyboard and your mouse and your Roost all in one convenient package that's easy to throw in your bag and take with you anywhere. Wherever you use a laptop, you can use a Roost. A lot of people use a Roost at their desk as an external monitor riser. You can use the Roost at a cafe. When you're traveling, use the Roost at a hotel. When you're away for business, students use the Roost in lecture. DJs use the Roost. It can be used for presentations. If you're a designer, if you're an artist, you rely on your laptop as your livelihood. The Roost will go a very long way to protecting your health. You'll have less neck aches, less back aches, less shoulder aches, less headaches. I really want to bring Roost 2.0 into the world, and I need your help. I love to design and build products that people use and that improve their lives. And Roost 2.0 is the next step in that journey.